Julian Wilson, Stu Kennedy and Connor Coffin. It's going to be a great one. There is your three stack here. It is round one of competition and it is day one of our waiting period. So welcome to Cloudbreak, and it is a little bit pinchy with the rain squalls out the back as we pick up on Julian Wilson. Wave number two, he did have a small 1.33 throwaway. Already gets up into the top corner. Now just lets go of that second turn. Now you'll want to come around this. You can see a rawness to the lineup here for our day one of competition. And Julian loads up another turn, just keeps it safe. Now we're starting to run into that shish kebabs section of the reef, and he gets the hammering. So nice sequence here, if not a little conservative, Potts.
Four on the board and not a lot of opportunity, so a good move here. First turn, straight up through the lip. Nice body position as he comes straight back down and into the next one. So nice synergy there between maneuvers. Nice clean surfing on the opening part of that wave and then milking it all the way through. This end section really gets critical as they start to come into that really shallow section, and this is where it gets critical. Nice turn there from Julian Wilson, and again just moving through. It's going to be the best score of the heat so far, and it's going to give him a lot of confidence moving forward. Nice opening maneuver, free fall drop, and then around the section, just holding his rail on that bottom turn, keeping his speed, nice low center of gravity, just making sure that white water doesn't knock him off. So good surfing there from Julian Wilson. You know, greeted with a beautiful wall. Other times you're looking down the barrel of a nightmare.
Well, opportunity here for Wilson on the way out, just looking for an inside section. The Americans call it a sophomore year, second year on tour. Let's have a look what he's got for us. He stays in the low gravity position. He's lining up a tunnel. It's the Cloudbreak Cauldron, and he's going to come through it. Beautiful lines here for Connor Coffin. Now out on the face and a regroup, but the work is done with that big, deep tube entry.
And a half there on the ski, but it seems to be working out. Here we go, Julian finding something of his own though. Grabs the wall, using that forehand to just guide his way through. Beautiful exit on that. Comes up into the corner, sweeps that again. Beautiful surfing right there from Julian Wilson as he's going to find a few more on the inside.
Wow, thanks, Strider.
Have a look at Connor's first. Sort of more of a medium one as he drives down the line, holding that rail. Nice high line, comes out nice and clean there from Connor. Into that beautiful wrapping turn, so beautiful positioning for Connor Coffin. Wave selection, very, very important out here. And then also just drawing that right line, keeping that board high enough, staying away from that white water that shoots back up the face of the wave. We call that the foam ball. Connor navigating his way through that perfectly. And a massive score for Connor Coffin. Seems to get left out. Let's have a look at Julian's wave here. Late drop with a bit of white water on his shoulders. Now he driving through that barrel. And a second section comes flying out of that. So perfect positioning for Julian Wilson. He's done that before, you can tell, just a couple of times. He's a pipeline master, so no stranger to the big heavy barrels. He's a finalist out here in the past, and he is surfing like it. Perfect positioning, slows himself down nicely. Now he lets go, now he drives through up and over that foam ball. A little bit more of a critical tube ride than Connor Coffin's, and a 9.50 for that. Across the channel from Tavarua, this is what the angle is. As you can see, Julian Wilson on a beast. That thing just wide open as he drives through that second section. And Julian Wilson all his way to a 9.50. Great score for him. But leaving the door slightly open with that 6.83.
You had a free surf out here yesterday, Potts, how difficult it is to navigate when you start getting these buckles and twists. And let's have a look and see how Stu Kennedy gets his approach going. We saw him really shine last year and re-qualify now his second year on tour, and as I say that, he'll tumble.
Weird little stumbles and the board looks a little uncomfortable under his feet, so most probably the fact that he's never ridden that one before, and even though they're so similar off the machines these days, still want to know that equipment. You need to have spent a bit of time on it to get that
on, operating at around a 13.88 heat average. Let's have a look at Stu Kennedy, a little lower on the Jeep leaderboard. We'll talk more about that. He lets go of that turn on that fresh equipment. Now, deep lines, keeps it very close and tight. In fact, seesaws on the whitewater. And now another little hit. What's on the end section for us? Roofline float. You'll hold it together.
I like it.
Potts next to me is having a little nod. one we'll look at now. It's still waiting for a number from the judges.
Yeah, I like it. You know, it's not one of the bigger ones, but it's going to be a confidence builder for Stu Kennedy. Beautiful turn right there. I like the drift that he's getting off his top turns. A lot of guys are gouging into the face of the wave. Stu kind of lets it slide a bit. Gets that little point of difference. Beautiful float there. Nice extension as he finished that one off. So that's definitely going to be his best score.
Still remains in the combo situation though, Potts, and let's have a look at this. Conor Coffin, only wave number 2 now. Let's see what he's got. He's going to go into that stance, threads it. It's not very deep at this stage. Now he speeds it up through the inside section. He has that wrap. The wave has got a little bit of a flat section to it, so it does sort of mute the turn a little bit.
To see you disappear. In other words, they don't want to see you.
Well, this amazing ride, only a 3-point ride,
Yeah,
so break that down for us, Potts.
You and I would be happy with this. You can see just trying to slow down, really difficult to do because that wave is pushing. There's so much energy. See, as soon as he let go, it almost was like he got shot out of a cannon. Just instant speed, so a difficult wave to slow down on. You really need to fade right back down the bottom. Maybe even one more check turn on the bottom there. But in saying that, what a beautiful wave that is. I mean, a gorgeous setup right there, but just not deep enough to win this heat. 3 points is all he gets with 2 10-point rides in the final.
Well, that was against Julian Wilson. He's in this heat here. He's up against Conor Coffin. That's a nice, useful hit in the top corner for the young Californian. The wave's just gone a touch soft on us. It's going to reform on the inside here. Raw conditions with that rainstorm out at sea here in the South Pacific. Leaves Conor Coffin reading the lineup really nicely now. Mid-face hack. Little tapered corner, and he just keeps those rails seesawing backwards and forwards. Trying to dispose of a 3-point ride. He's on the hunt for a 7.57 to attack Julian Wilson's heat lead.
Picked up and deposited back out into the lineup. Conor Coffin straight up through the lip on first turn. Nice opening to the wave. Sliding tail on maneuver number 2, so showing a little bit of variety. Now it goes a little sleepy, waiting for it to build up through that inside section, so nothing too radical for Conor on this wave. He's looking for a 7.57. I'm not sure whether I'm seeing a 7.5.
Stu Kennedy, he's in the combination. He's way back in the seat, so he'll just be freewheeling here. Positions. You see that wave's got a few buckles on it, and that's going to be a little disinterest from him. It tells us there's still a lot of energy running in this particular swell.
Oh yeah.
Kennedy's jumped on the end here. Even though that wave may very well have counted, it's going to be an inconsequential number. Stu Kennedy will finish 3rd here in this encounter. It's an official result. Julian Wilson moves through to round 3 here. Conor Coffin will reseed in round 2 along with Stu Kennedy.